Here's an easy recipe for a keto-friendly dish that you can make at home. Baked avocado egg boats. Ingredients: 2 ripe avocados, 4 eggs, salt and pepper to taste. Optional: shredded cheese, diced tomatoes, chopped fresh herbs, such as cilantro or parsley, for topping. Instructions: preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. Cut the avocados in half and remove the pit. Using a spoon, scoop out a small amount of avocado flesh from each half, to create a hole large enough to hold an egg. Crack an egg into each avocado half, taking care not to break the yolk. Place the avocado halves on a baking sheet, and season with salt and pepper. Bake in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the egg whites are set and the yolks are cooked to your liking. Remove from the oven and top with shredded cheese, diced tomatoes, or chopped fresh herbs, if desired. Serve warm and enjoy. Note: you can also add any keto-friendly meat on top, such as bacon or turkey. Thank you for watching, and follow us for more recipes.